Hello, my friends. Today, I'm going to be showing you this new pick I made. I call it a rocker or master rocker because it mostly works with master locks, as I'm about to demonstrate. Let's see if I can show you the bidding on it. The cuts. My camera will ever focus. That's what the cuts look like on it. Different on both sides. Anyways, I call it the rocker because of how it picks these locks. As you can see here, it's all locked up. Now I take my rocker, put it in, rock it, and see if it opens up the lock. It ain't opening the lock that way, so I just flip it to the other side, go back and forth with it, and see if it opens it up. Let me try to get a better angle here for you. Right. Just put it in, little tension on the wrench, rock it back and forth, and hope that it opens the lock. Ain't working that way, so I flip it around to the other side and give it a try that way. And there we go. Try to do this one real quick for you again here on camera. You just put it in there, rock it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth as you're letting go and giving tension. And eventually, it just pops right open. There's one lock for you. There's the bidding on that lock. Do another lock for you here. Just put it in, give it a little rocking back and forth as you're giving tension and letting off the tension at the same time. Back and forth, back and forth. Didn't work on that end, flip it over, try the other side, and there we go. I found this to work on about probably 20% of my locks. Try to get that better for you on camera here. Just jiggle it back and forth. There you go. Here's what the bidding looks like for this key. Well, that's how she goes. Please check out my other videos. Please subscribe and have a great day.